looking at the debris field from the crash site with Cessna 414. Plane crashed in 1983. Both people on board perished, and the plane still remains almost 40 years later. You can see the debris field spread all down through the mountainside. Guys, if you come and see something like this, do not be one of these idiots that scribbles their name on the side of this. Use respect, dignity. This is the final resting place. You have 2 people. The engines were recovered along with the people on board. And they said if it had been about another 150 feet or so higher, it would have cleared the mountain. Well, we came out of Ohio, and it was on its way to the Jackson County Airport in North Carolina. And it was a mixture, I believe they say, of weather conditions and pilot error. Unfortunately, the pilot did have a blood alcohol content. It's probably a contributing factor. Not long ago, 2 hikers did vandalize the plane pretty significantly. And good people were around and saw it. And before the hikers even returned to the parking lot, the Rangers already had all their information and tag number. So they have been charged with the vandalism under the federal system. Hopefully, they'll learn their lesson.